to one and present all. Today, I, Anaj,
And I, Angel.
of class 11th G, feels truly delighted to welcome you all to this beautiful annual function. A new day brings new hope, fresh opportunities, and countless opportunities. And so we are glad to start it together as one school family.
The topic for our today's annual function is Role of Reserve Bank of India. RBI, often known as the guardian of our money and watchdog of our banking systems. Just like our heart pumps blood to every part of the body, RBI pumps financial stability in every part of our economy. So now, let's begin our journey into the world of RBI, an invisible hand that keeps our economy strong, secure, and moving forward.
So now, I would like to call Akriti on stage for a short prayer.
Now I request everybody to please stand up, join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for school prayer. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high. Where knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments. By narrow domestic walls. Where the words come out from depth of truth. Where the mind is led forward by thee. Into ever widening thought and action. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Now I would like to invite Anika for the thought of the day.
The thought of the day is do not say what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. I repeat my thought. Do not say what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving.
The tagline of RBI is RBI कहते हैं जानकर बनी सतर्क रहिए, which translates to RBI says be informed, be alert. Now let's start the discussion and learn more about RBI in depth.
The Reserve Bank of India was established on April 1st, 1935, based on the recommendations of the Hilton Young Commission to address economic issues following World War I. It was initially a private-owned entity and was nationalized on January 1st, 1949, and is now a government-owned entity responsible for managing India's monetary policy and currency.
Currently, the RBI governor is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra. He is the 26th governor of RBI and IAS officer of 1990 batch, Rajasthan Cadre. RBI governor is the most powerful person in India's financial system after finance minister. You will even see his signature on old currency notes. That shows RBI's authority.
RBI is the only institution in India that is allowed to print currency notes, but coins are issued by the Ministry of the Finance, not the RBI. RBI follows a system called Minimum Reserve System, MRS.
Minimum reserve system is a system which requires to maintain a minimum reserve of rupees 200 crores, consisting of at least rupees 115 crores in gold and rest in foreign currency. After meeting this minimum, RBI can issue more currency as needed by the economy, ensuring public confidence and facilitating economic growth without triggering inflation.
The RBI frames and implements monetary policies to control inflation and maintain price stability. If prices goes up too high, RBI increases repo rate, reverse repo rate, CRR, SLR to suck excess money from the market. This helps to bring prices down. Repo rate is the rate at which bank borrows money from RBI. If RBI increases repo rate, the loan becomes expensive. If it decreases, the loan becomes cheaper. The current repo rate is 5.5% as of 6th August 2025.
Because repo rate is the rate at which bank borrows money from bank instead of giving loans.
CRR is the percentage of total deposits that bank has to keep with RBI as cash reserves.
SLR is in reserve, but this is kept in the form of gold or government securities. It helps us to control inflation and ensures that banks do not run out of money suddenly.
RBI plays a crucial role in ensuring that digital transactions are safe, transparent and reliable. It makes rules for banks and payment companies, set transactions limits and monitors systems like UPI and NEFT to prevent fraud. RBI also promotes financial inclusion by making digital payments simple and accessible for everyone, even in rural areas.
The RBI emphasizes the importance of safety and security of digital transactions. Users are advised not to share sensitive information like OTP, PIN, password with anyone and avoid using public Wi-Fi for digital transactions.
The RBI acts as both the central and state government. It manages their accounts, handles public debts, and helps in implementing monetary policies. RBI guides banks to support priority sectors like agriculture and rural development. It ensures loans are available not just for rich people but also for farmers, small businesses, and students. So, friends, RBI is not just a bank, it is the guardian of our economy. So, it's whether it's bank safety or digital development. RBI silently works to keep India stable and growing. Thank you.
India is a land of rich culture and classical dance in its soul, a blend of rhythm, expression, and devote. Now let's welcome Ravleen and Anika for a beautiful classical dance performance.
Today, we bring you a dramatic yet insightful role play on one of the most shocking financial frauds in India, the Neeraj Modi case.
This wasn't just a story of diamond and deception, but also a wake-up call for India's financial institutions. Through this act, we'll see how such a massive scam happened and the role RBI played.
Behind this glamorous empire lies a secret web of deceit. Neeraj Modi, a name associated with luxury, was silently preparing for India's biggest banking fraud.
We have big orders from Hong Kong. I need fresh LOUs from PNB. No delays.
Friends, do you know what a LOU is? It is a kind of agreement given by one bank to another, usually for foreign transactions.
But sir, we already have many pending payments. If we take more goods without clearing the dues, it could become risky. Shouldn't we inform the bank before placing another order?
And now, Neeraj and his uncle Mukul Choksi step in to share their side of the story.
Uncle, orders from Hong Kong are urgent. I told the assistant to get fresh LOUs from PNB. No delays.
Don't worry, Neeraj. I've spoken to our man inside. No paperwork, no entries in CBS system, just clean Swift messages.
Good. The officials trust us blindly. We'll keep the shine on the diamonds and the dirt well hidden.
Exactly. The more they believe in our glamour, the less they doubt our game.
While the world admired their beauty, behind the scenes, loopholes, silently preparing for India's biggest banking fraud.
Shetty ji, I need LOUs worth 500 crore. Today, it's urgent.
No problem, sir. I will issue through SWIFT system without entering in CBS.
SWIFT system is a global messaging network used by banks to securely send and receive financial transactions information. CBS means core banking system which help the customers to perform transactions from any branch of the bank.
And your bonus will be waiting as always.
For years, the scam continued. Fake letters of undertakings were issued without any collateral. Foreign bank trusted PNB and gave loan to Neeraj Modi's firm.
4 years I was silently. Letters of undertaking were being issued, not through CBS but SWIFT. Thousands of crores slipping through the cracks. I asked myself why no one is noticing this. Was it his carelessness or cover up? I could not stay quiet anymore. My conscience screamed louder than my fear. So I am here standing out, speaking out.
Who approved this? Something is off. 8 of transactions not recorded in our CBS. How did this split through? This is not a small error. This is a massive breach. Pull every file linked to these transactions, cross-check with every SWIFT log, and someone inform the RBI. We can't hide this anymore.
PNB officially lodged an FIR with CBI. The scam over rupees 11,000 crores. It shook the nation.
Massive banking scam. Diamond merchant Neeraj Modi and Mukul Choksi defrauded PNB of rupees 11,356 crores using fake LOUs. CBI and ED raids underway. ED officer, CBI and RBI officer steps into investigation.
How did one deputy manager can bypass the whole core system?
He exploited the SWIFT system without recording it in CBS. Pure manual corruption.
Unbelievable. We are launching our new guidelines immediately.
Before the law caught up, Neeraj Modi to the UK, Choksi to Antigua, Interpol notices were issued.
After reviewing all evidences, this court finds Neeraj Modi guilty of betrayal and deceit. Mr. Modi, you didn't just steal money, you stole the nation's trust. Justice has prevailed. The court is adjourned.
Why there was no audit? What about the poor who trusted banks? We want transparency in how banks operate, clarity on where our money is being used, and timely disclosure of any financial irregularities so that the public trust is not broken.
Who will be accountable for our hard-earned money? We kept our savings with full trust in banks. Now who will ensure our security?
Hey, how are you? All good. I was going through some previous files regarding PNB scam. Do you know how RBI responded to that?
Yeah, I remember some things about it. In response to PNB scam, RBI took immediate and decisive action to restore trust in Indian banking system, recognizing the loopholes that allowed the misuse of SWIFT messages without reflecting transaction in the core banking system. RBI mandated that all such messages must now be linked to the CBS to ensure transparency and availability.
Yeah, I also remember now. It has also discontinued the use of letter of undertakings and strengthened internal audit mechanisms across banks.
Yes, you are correct.
Music has the power to separate positivity.
So now let's welcome Ishti and Manisha of our class.
We are dreamers, we make it happen, cause we believe it, look who we are. We are dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Here's to the ones that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respect your love, the only way. The door is open now every day. This 1+2 random, we all invited. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are. We are dreamers. We make it happen, cause we believe it. Look who we are. We are dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. Here's to the ones that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Here's to the ones that can imagine, respect, oh yeah.
Some songs are better sung than felt, better explained. So please welcome Tanvi and Eliza for English poem.
Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the roads you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and debts are high, and you want to smile, but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Rest if you must, but don't you quit.
Life is a choir with its twists and turns. Life is a choir with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometime learns. As every one of us sometime learns, and many a failure turns about. He might have won had he stuck it out. So don't give up though the pace seems slow. So don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow.
Success is a failure turned inside out. Success is the failure turned inside out. The silver tint of the cloud of doubt. The silver tint of the cloud of doubt. And you know how close you are.
It may be near when it seems so far. So don't quit when you are the hardest hit. So don't quit when you are the hardest hit. It may be worst, but you should not quit. Thank you.
Close your eyes, feel the rhythm and let the melody takes you away, because what is coming next is not just a performance, is an experience.
excitement to the stage. Get ready for a vibrant Hindi song performance that will make your feet tap and your heart dance.
power to touch hearts and awaken emotions. So let's welcome with a big round of applause our talented poet Lakshita, who is here to fill the stage with magic through their words.
नोज की पब्लिक स्कूल हमारा ज्ञान का है घर प्यारा, जहाँ हर दिन नई किरणें लाती है खुशियों का सवेरा। एमडी सर की सोच अनोखी देते प्रेरणा हर पल, उनकी मेहनत से ये हो रहा विद्यालय चारों ओर सफल। निम्फा मैम हमारी दया और अनुशासन की मिसाल, उनके शब्दों में छिपा होता मेहनत का उपहार। मित्रों संग हंसी ठिठोले यादों का बनता मेल, यहाँ बिताए हर एक पल को रखेंगे आजीवन सहेज। हमारा स्कूल हमारा गौरव, दिल में है इसका मान, अपनी योग्यता से बनाए रखेंगे इसका मान। आज हम नोजगे के विद्यार्थी वादा करते हैं ज्ञान, सेवा और संस्कार से बढ़ाएंगे इसका मान। थैंक यू।
Dance is the hidden language of the soul, and when many souls dance together, it becomes celebration. Up next, get ready for the high energy group dance performance that promises rhythm and coordination.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाए, कुछ कर जाए। सूरज सतेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सर जलता देखोगे। सूरज सतेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे अपनी हद रोशन करने से, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे?
जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हम मत वाले। जीवन के दिन छोटे सही, हम भी बड़े दिल वाले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हम मत वाले। जीने का रंगीन मौसम, ये खूबसूरत जमाना, अपने यही चार पल है, आगे है क्या किसने जाना। जीना जिसे आता है वो, इनमें ही मौज मना ले, कल की हमें फुर्सत कहाँ, सोचे जो हम मत वाले।
मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यार भी के हम अमीर है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर है, फिर भी यार भी के हम अमीर है। मिटे जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, जले बहार के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है।
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। अरे ओले ओले ओ, 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 ओले ओले ओ। चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। अरे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे, आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे। पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। जिंदगी एक सफर है।